Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to configure LDPlayer for low-end PC. Full guide 2026 so you can run games smoothly even on weaker or older computers. First, open LDPlayer and click the settings icon. Go to the Performance tab and reduce resource allocation. Set CPU cores to 2 and RAM to 2 GB or 3 GB depending on your system. Lower settings help low-end PCs run more stable. Next, open Display Settings and change resolution to 1280 by 720. Lower resolution reduces GPU load and improves overall performance. Now move to Graphics Settings. Select OpenGL mode because it usually works better on low-end systems. If you notice issues, test DirectX and restart LDPlayer to compare performance. After that, disable high FPS mode and keep frame rate around 30 or 60 FPS for smoother and more stable gameplay. Then check virtualization status. Open Task Manager, go to Performance, and confirm virtualization is enabled. If disabled, enable it from BIOS to significantly boost emulator performance. Next, close all unnecessary background programs like browsers, launchers, or updates to free RAM and CPU resources. Inside your game settings, set graphics quality to low or smooth and disable shadows and extra visual effects. Also open Windows graphics settings and set LDPlayer to high performance if you have a dedicated GPU. Finally, keep LDPlayer updated and make sure you have enough free storage space for stable operation. And that's it. LDPlayer should now run much smoother on a low-end PC with reduced lag. If this guide helped you, like the video and subscribe for more PC optimization tutorials. Thanks for watching.